Hi, in this channel, you and I will be reviewing different cars and learn at the same time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider joining us. If you are a subscriber, please click the like button. Thank you. This is a review of all new Mobilio RS. This is the front. This is the other angle. Ba-bam. Ta-da! See the wheel and the turn signal on the side mirror, then chrome handle with keyless entry. That's the RS side skirt, two-tone alloy wheel. That's a nice spoiler. That's a nice rear spoiler as well. I mean the diffuser. Oh no, it's a nice bumper with a rear lip. And it says RS with a silver muffler. And there's a backup camera. And there's the third brake light. Let's see what this car has in store for us. Let's go inside. Start from the door panel in the driver's side. So you have plastic everywhere. There's no leather. There's no fabric. Speaker, bottle holder, the usual buttons, side mirror adjust, door lock and unlock, the power button, and the door handle. Same as the BRV. Manual. Okay. Manual seats. There's the gas cap release and there's the hood release. Traction off control with two blanks and the start button. Let's get inside. So this car is almost identical with the BRV, but a smaller version, or just the same. So the BRV and the Mobilio are very similar. The interior looks exactly the same. Everything looks the same. Oh, so someone did steal that. Someone did steal this one from that car. Oh my goodness. So this is how the dashboard looks like. Looks the same with the BRV. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. Exactly the same place. Exactly the same handle control. This one still looks like the old Civic. I mean, even the FD had a steering wheel that looks like this. Anyway, manual lights, manual windshield wiper, the steering, audio control, and that's it. But you can control some things using this for that screen. And you also have a thing like this to control the screen as well. Okay. The steering wheel adjustment, infotainment, touchscreen. People will complain because it's a fingerprint gathering machine. And there's your digital air condition compartment, power outlet for 12 volt, two cup holders, automatic transmission. That's the glove box. There's an airbag there. There's an airbag here, and I'm sure there is a mirror but no lights. Same goes for this map light. You can turn it on because we have light, and the room mirror. But this car doesn't have the accent that we saw in BRV. The big accent. This is very thin. Here you have handbrake. Oh, don't steal this, people. The cup holder for the third row, for the second row. And everything's just plastic overload. There is no leather except not even on the handle. Let's go to the back. Wow. Same plastic overload. Plastic overload. Cup holder, bottle holder. Exactly the same. You have the blowers. Exactly the same, but the headliner is the normal gray color. But for this car, it doesn't have the center armrest, and it's very basic, same as the BRV. The speaker and some place to put something there, and we have cabin light. This is the RS version, so I think it's just the body kit that makes it the RS version, not really affecting its driving capability. More on the aesthetic. There are pouches here. We forgot to mention. This is very important. This is how it looks like from the second row. Let's check if the trunk will open since this has power. So there's the handle. Okay, it opens. There's nothing special here except for the defogger. And then the place where you can find probably the jack and the tools. Spare tire. Oh, when you open this, you can release the spare tire. There, you see the spare tire? So these things are making this the RS version. Let's go to the front. The headlamps are halogen, and it seems to have the daytime running light, and it has the fog lamp. It has the RS badge. Look how different or same it is. BRV, Mobilio. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys learned something. If you liked what you saw, please give it a like, which will motivate me to do more. Thank you guys. Bye bye. If you enjoyed the video, please press the like button, comment, and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.